Hey, welcome back to my channel. Epson PowerLite 821p Multimedia Video Projector. From the manufacturer, with 2600 ANSI lumens, XGA resolution, and a vast feature set designed for maximum power and versatility, the Epson PowerLite 821p delivers superior presentations in virtually any setting. Bright enough to install in a boardroom, but light enough to carry from room to room for desktop presentations, this whisper-quiet portable offers exceptional performance. Epson LCDs ensure incredible color saturation and image quality, while a 1.6x zoom and flexible connectivity provide for a variety of placement options. Automatic source selection makes setup easier than ever, while its powerful 5-watt audio fills the conference room. And there's no need for costly expansion modules. With remarkable versatility and unbeatable reliability, the Epson PowerLite 821p ensures high-quality, cost-effective presentations, even in the most challenging environments. Ultra-bright 2600 ANSI lumens for presentations in any setting. Superior image quality and performance from 3 Epson LCDs for greater color depth and accuracy, plus astounding color saturation across the screen. XGA resolution for vibrant images with precision color and detail. 1.6x optical zoom for flexible placement and positioning. Easy setup and operation. Color-coded cables make setup a breeze. Power on and off beeps let users know the projector has received their command. Quick startup time avoids presentation delays and reduces pre-presentation jitters. Source search function automatically displays the connected input source and switches instantly between various sources. Automatic keystone correction +- 15-degree digital keystone correction that automatically engages without manual adjustments. Monitor out capability to display images on a monitor and screens simultaneously. Great audio and connectivity. Powerful 5-watt audio that fills the conference room. Audio out 2 computer and 2 video inputs with a dedicated audio input for each. Whisper quiet operation to eliminate excessive sound so the presentation is the center of attention. Conveniently placed lamp and air filter access, designed for easy changes. Even when the projector is ceiling mounted, you'll also get a low cost of ownership. The brightness control function helps extend the lamp life and provides more cost-effective operation. A password-protected security feature, plus operation lock, to protect your investment against theft or unauthorized usage. And there are no costly input expansion modules needed. Enjoy Epson's outstanding service and support free for the duration of the 2-year warranty. A 90-day lamp warranty provides added dependability. The Epson Road Service Program provides a replacement projector, typically shipped within 24 hours. And the Epson Private Line SM dedicated toll-free support line is available from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday through Friday. What's in the box? Multimedia projector, power cable, remote control with battery, computer cable, audio adapter cable, USB a USB-B cable, Epson projector software CD-ROM, EasyMP software CD-ROM, Start Here kit, soft carrying case, 2 batteries, private line technical support, card, quick setup poster, user guide, warranty and service information. 1024 by 768 XGA native resolution. Compatible up to 1600 by 1200. Selectable 16:9, 4:3, and 5:4 screen aspect ratios. 2600 ANSI lumens, 500:1 contrast ratio, 5-watt speaker. HD TV, ANSI, and PAL signals, composite, S-video, and component inputs. PC compatible, 2-year warranty with private line technical support. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.